Hiya, so this morning, just down in the fabrication shop, not that we often show this, but just thought it was too good an opportunity. I'm here with Paul.
Morning.
So, fabricator, welder, spends all his days down here, and unfortunately his work gets covered up because essentially it's the corrosion, the new panels that go in before they're ever stone chipped and painted. So this is a new project with us. We're actually turning it into our Dakar look car for a customer, a repeat customer that we work closely with and really enjoy working with. But the question that I possibly get asked most is kidney bowls. So if you actually see on this one, if you can come up, we've replaced the door step in the outer sill, that's one panel. But when we do a kidney bowl, as a rule, obviously the lock post is in there. We will cut the lock post depending on how much corrosion, sometimes all the way up. But if it's good like this one, we'll leave as much of the original in. Then we can go and replace the kidney bowl. This, all the muck, water comes off the back wheel, rots out this little sucker. And we can cut it off without destroying the outside panel and re-weld in a new one before replacing the lock post and then actually making a bespoke panel to go in the back, finishing off the rest of the panel. So when people refer to the kidney bowl and the strength, that's where it is. Just moving forward with Paul. He can just describe to us, this one's a good shell. We do find some corrosion in places when we grind off the original stone chip. But on this one, I think you're saying that we've got nothing, have we?
Yeah, no, it's in places, the bottoms of the wings, even these areas, and all the way down the tops. These again, are massive water traps. So we either repair them from the inside, or the better way is to take all of this off, repair, shot blast, clean these, and then weld these back on. Therefore making it, it's never going to come back.
And on this one, we haven't had to do that at all. That's good.
No, this one is nice and solid, so we'll just clean it, rust treat it, and then we'll chip it and seal it.
So really, we're probably about 80% finished down the offside of the car, and next week we'll move on to the near side and carry on doing fairly much the same the other side. Thank you for watching.